Hello friends, this is the video of A to Z Forex training. There I will teach you everything about Forex step by step in a very easy way. If you don't understand anything, just ask me, I will help you. Okay, let's begin. Hello friends, it's me AsirFx. Welcome to my channel AsirFx 360. So this is the first episode of the A to Z Forex training. So this is the part 1. So basically I start these things, there I will cover all the things from the very beginning, because lots of people lose money in the Forex, but I don't want that my viewers or my subscriber they lose money in the Forex. So that I will share all my strategies and all my plan within these things. Maybe there will be 45 video, and every day I will upload a video and I will start Forex from the beginning to the expert level. So I think if you follow this episode named A to Z Forex training, you will learn all the things about Forex. So this is the first video. So today I am going to discuss about what is Forex. So I will maybe you know these things that what is Forex. So in this video I will discuss it. It will be a little bit different way. Maybe you can learn something new. Okay. So first I am going to tell you about the video content. So in this video first I will discuss about what is Forex, and then I will give you some homework and you will practice it. And when I upload the next video, then every video I will give you some homework, and if you complete these things, and I hope you will learn Forex properly and you will never lose money in the Forex. Okay, so now we can start the video, and every video I will show you our live trading result that we are making profit. And just I show you these things because of your inspiration, because many people think that it's not possible to make profit from the Forex market. That's why every video I will show you our real account profit, and you can see that how we trade, and you can learn it also that how we are trading and how we make profit. Okay, now we can start this video and let's go to the main video. So at the basic I have to discuss with you that what is Forex. So I just divide these things with the 3 categories. One thing is that meaning of Forex for the general people. Number 2, meaning of Forex for the countries, I mean global countries. Number 3, meaning of Forex for the Forex trader. So now I'm going to discuss about the 3 things that I think after watch this video, then you will understand all the things that what is Forex and how it's work. So first I will discuss about this, that what is the Forex for the general people. So this is very easy things. Say for example, you live in the USA and you take a vacation that you want to go to the Europe, and you know in the USA their currency name is the US dollar, and the Europe their currency name is euro. So you go to the Europe and you have the dollar, but you know that you cannot use the dollar in the euro. So you have to exchange your dollar to the euro, to any money exchange shop or in the airport or in the bank, whatever, you have to exchange these things to the euro. So this is the Forex, you know. So you have say for example $100 and you want to convert this $100 to the euro. So maybe you will get some euro, and these things this is the convert of the USD to euro. So for the general people, you are exchange your currency, one currency to the another currency. So you do Forex. So Forex means currency exchange. So this is another short form of the Forex is the FX. FX is a foreign exchange. So when you convert your currency to one currency to the another currency, it will be a Forex. So now the second thing, what is the meaning of Forex for the countries, I mean global countries. So say for example, USA want to buy some fuel like petrol or diesel, this kind of fuel from the Middle East, like from the Dubai. So what they will do, so Dubai currency name is the UAE and the USD currency is the USD. So the Donald Trump have to convert his dollar to the UAE currency, or they will pay the UAE currency to the Dubai, and then they will buy some fuel or whatever they need from the Dubai. They will buy these things. So this is the things that a country, if any countries want to buy some clothes from Bangladesh, so our currency name is BDT, so the country have to pay us in our currency if anyone USA want to buy from me. So I say, for example, I have something, I want to sell it from the USA, so USA have to convert this currency to my currency, and then I will give my product and they will take it. They will take these products like fuel or clothes or food, whatever they want. So if any countries want to buy some goods from other countries, they have to convert their currency to their currency, and then they can do the export and import with the other countries. So this is the another thing. So now the last part is what is the meaning of Forex for the Forex trader. So there is little bit different. So there what we are doing. So if I call myself a Forex trader, so a Forex trader what is do? So if you know that the Forex currency price like dollar price, euro price, or US JPY price, or AUD or pound, whatever currency exists in the world, those currency price every day moves go up and down, up and down. So a Forex trader what they do a currency when the price is low, and they sell this currency when the price is high. So this is a very simple thing. So if you are a Forex trader, and what you do in this market, say for example, now you are from the USA and you think that the euro currency price is now a little bit low, but you know tomorrow this currency price can go more high. So what you will do, you will buy $100 euro today, and when the tomorrow this price is go high, you sell this currency and you make profit. So this is the way a Forex trader make money in the Forex, and they trade in the Forex. So for the Forex trader, and this is very easy things, they just have to know the information that the reason why currency price go up and down, and when this currency price can go up, and they have to wait for this situation, and when they see that okay now the euro price can go high, so then they will buy the euro or whatever currency like a JPY, like Japanese yen. If they think that Japanese yen price can go high tomorrow, then today they will buy the currency and sell it to the tomorrow. So for these things you no need for anyone, for the buyer or seller, you need a broker. The broker will do it for you. So even if you want to open buy a currency for the 5 minutes or 1 minute or 2 minutes, anything you can do with these things. And this is very easy things. If you just click once to buy, you can buy it. And if you want to close your order, like if you want to sell, then you just close your order and it will be sold. So I think you understand that for the Forex people, the Forex is not like a country things, or if you want to travel another countries, then you are giving some cash. But in Forex market there is no cash, everything is virtual money. So there you have to insert your balance to the broker. Then anytime if you want, you can buy any currency from any world, whatever you want, you can buy it and you can sell it. I think you understand that what is Forex. So in the next video I will discuss about that what we trade in this Forex market, and how a Forex trader make money, and what you need to start Forex trading things, and how can you join with these things. So this is the video number 1. So in A to Z Forex training, video number 2, I will teach you about those things. So now I am going to show you about our trading profit in the real account, and I hope you will enjoy it. Today we withdraw $1,500, and now I'm going to show you our today's few trade. Now I'm going to close them because now they are in the profit. There is the trade. You can see we open a few trade, and they are in the running. I think 5 order are running right now, and basically there I trade manually, and this trade I opened for the scalping. So now I'm going to close all of them. If you want to learn our trading strategies and all the trading system, you can join to my live Skype online class. Learning is a very important investment for every business. If you can learn Forex properly, you can earn unlimited money from this. So if you want, you can join to my live personal Skype class. If you join this class, I will teach you everything about Forex and you will be a profitable, successful and expert Forex trader. There you can ask me any question and you can practice with me. When you will practice in demo, I will check the trade and I will find your all mistake and I will solve your all mistake. By this way, within short time you will be a good trader. Every month I will take only 3 students because it's not a group class, it's a personal class. If you join my class, then it will be my responsibility to make you a successful trader. For more details, you can check the video details or visit our website. Okay, now I'm going to the next part. Now I'm giving you the homework that the some important currency, and there you can see the euro, the Europe zone currency, GBP, England currency, JPY is a Japanese currency, and the AUD is a Australian currency, CAD is a Canadian dollar, USD is a United States dollar, CHF is Swiss franc, and NZD is a New Zealand dollar. So those are very important currency, and if you want to become a forex trader, must you have to remember those some currency pair and currency name and what is the everything. So those are very important, so must because tomorrow I will upload another video. So until in this time, just take a screenshot of this picture and remember those name. In future it will be necessary for you. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me by the WhatsApp, Skype or email or by the comment. I will try to reply your all the question. And if you want to know more, you can visit our website. And also if you like this video, give a thumbs up for this video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for notification. And I hope you will learn everything about Forex from my channel. Okay, bye. Have a good day.